Hey guys, Burn here, and I'm in the mood for some Brussels sprouts, so we're about to make some Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. And yes, I said we about to because I'm from Columbus Public Schools, and that's how we get down. These are Paleo, Keto, WHOLE30, all that friendly, so let's begin. You really don't need too many ingredients. Just get you some Brussels sprouts and some extra virgin olive oil. So what we're doing first is we are cutting the stems off of the Brussels sprouts and then cutting them in half. Now you want to peel out the outside layers of the Brussels sprouts because that's usually where the dirt is trapped in there. You definitely want to make sure you get that off so we can wash them before we eat them. I may have removed too much of the outside shell on these, but we'll see in a minute. I really don't know. Let's go ahead and fast forward a little bit of this because it's really pretty boring. Alright, so now we're finished. We're going to put all of them in this bowl here. Go ahead and discard the parts we don't need. You're going to take your extra virgin olive oil spray the air fryer basket. Also, we're going to rinse the Brussels sprouts in cold water, let them soak for 5 minutes, and then drain them. Add some extra virgin olive oil to them, and I'm adding pepper and garlic salt. I'm going to toss that around. Put them in an air fryer for 9 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Take them out in golden brown. Bone apple tea.